Hello everyone, and welcome to break 2230 for the 2018-19 Upper Deck Clear Cut Hockey Auto Box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current dates and times according to eBay. It's Sunday, May 31st. It's 1:24 a.m. Eastern Time, 12:24 a.m. Central Time, and it's Saturday, May 30th. It's 10:24 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have JM 2 spots, Mike Will 2, WD 1, Big 1, CR Mag 1, CBD Cards 2, Mike Will with 4, Ear Mule 3, Birdie 2, Yo 1, CR 1, Mike Will with 3 spots, and Endless Heirlooms with 8 spots. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. JM on top, Endless bottom once, twice, 3 times 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Endless Heirlooms on top, CBD cards on the bottom, Endless Ducks, Yo Coyotes, Endless Bruins, JM Sabres, Big Flames, Endless Hurricanes, Blackhawks, CR Avalanche, Mike Will Blue Jackets, WD Stars, Mike Will Red Wings, Endless Oilers, Birdie Panthers, Mike Will Kings, Endless Wild, JM Canadians, Mike Will Predators, Ear Mule with the Devils, Endless Islanders Rangers, CBD Cards Senators, Mike Will Flyers Penguins, Birdie Blues, Ear Mule Sharks, Lightning, Mike Will Leafs, Canucks, CR Mag Golden Knights, Mike Will with the Capitals, and last but not least, CBD Cards with the Winnipeg Jets. Alrighty. All sealed up. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. And there's our other seal. Empty. And who's our clear cut in 2230? Philip Runnick. Rookie auto for Detroit. All right, congrats, Detroit. Detroit Red Wings, that is. Here's the back. And Detroit Red Wings, Mike Will, 5505. Congrats on break 2230 for the 2018-19 Upper Deck Clear Cut Hockey Auto Box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot, and then we'll finish setting up 2358 and 2224. Thanks!